Anderson's Spring Open House is coming right up. It is April 19th and 20th, and we've got all kinds of specials going on. We're teaching classes, and just for example, tree and shrub drench will definitely be on sale. This is a great way to keep insects off of your trees for the entire season. We'll be having some great deals on our Fertilome soils as well too, and one of our best deals for the open house are on our gloves. We'll have some great specials on a lot of our gloves, whether they're leather or whether they're the Nitrile Touch, and we've got all kinds of great colors. Best gloves ever here at Anderson Seed and Garden. So don't forget, our spring open house is coming up April 19th and 20th, and we'll have some great events and some great deals and just a lot of fun here at Anderson's to get you excited about spring.